Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ann, and welcome. And if you're not, then welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup looks. We do makeup reviews. Sometimes I'll buy drugstore makeup, cheap makeup, mystery boxes, unboxings, really just anything related to makeup. And today, well, I lost my bag. We're going to be doing another unboxing. We're going to be unbagging the Ipsy for October. This is the regular glam bag. This is $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples and a cute little bag. And for $12, sometimes you do get a full-size product. Or for cosmetics, like they will send you like a full-size blush or highlighter, which I absolutely love their highlighters. And sometimes like a lipstick or something like that. Or a brush. I guess you consider a brush a full-size product. They do have the Ipsy Plus and the Ultimate. Ipsy Plus is one of my favorites. It is 5 full-size products, a medium bag for $25 a month. The Ultimate is, you're getting 12 products in total. 8 of them are full size, 4 of them are deluxe size, and a larger makeup bag for $50 a month. And here is our bag this month. I had the other bag from my Ultimate laying here. I don't know what I've done with it. They are so cute this month. So they got the like mascara, little powder, and compact, lips, lipstick, brush, a heart, does say Ipsy and a moon, a mascara, and the charm is just so cute. And it is black and gold, and they go really good together. And on the back, it says, "You're magical." Okay, our first item, which was out of the bag, we're going to go ahead and look at it. And I am like living for the colors, black and purple. Love the duo together. Okay, so here she is. A nice brush. This is Queen blending brush. It's like really pretty. It's more like the flatter blending brush, which I like to use like right out in here. And so I do like that. And I think it feels like it's a really good brush. I don't know the brand. There is the logo. Okay. Your Magic is the theme this month because it is like Halloween. And here is what we got. Laura Makeup Labs Queen Blending Brush. And it is retailed for $15. But that's all we want to know. We don't want to know anything else because I don't know what's in here. I didn't choose no items or anything like that. Okay. This is Radiant Glow Highlighter by Ivy Beauty. We're getting 0.1 ounce, which is 3 grams. And we got the color Like Magic. I think that's what that says. 24th Karat Magic. 24th. Like Magic. 24 Karat Magic. So I don't think I have this highlighter. There she is. It is very pretty. I love a good highlighter. I already have like a yellow one on. I don't really need like no more. Okay. So I do like that. Then we got Pistachio Skincare. This is Pistachio oil, butter, hydrating. It's 1 ounce. It is a body butter, 28 grams. It's made in California. You massage it all over your body after bathing or as needed. Aloe is the first. Leaf juice is the first thing. So aloe is really good for your skin. And it is green. feels like, it smells really, really good. So I like that, and it feels incredible. I like a good body butter. Okay, next product is by Doucce Beauty. This is their 500. You're getting 0.042 ounces, which is 1.20 grams. This is their coat eyeliner. It's a waterproof formula, long wear eyeliner, made in Germany. They do make some good eyeliners. Right here she is. She goes on really smooth and really just got that intense black. I've used these before and they are really good. Okay, so we're already on like our last product. I know that's Tarte, but just looking at it, I don't even need to read it. It is a foundation. It is their tinted hydration maracuja miracle. It is a tinted foundation. It's like a skincare meets foundation. You won't get full coverage, but it is a good color for me. I got a lot out. So it's just like, it'll give you that, like, glowing skin without the full coverage on days you don't want to wear much makeup. Normally, that's not me. But some days I do, barely often, but I do. And like, where it's got that oil in it, took my foundation right off. My eyeliner, wiped it off. That's good. So I have heard really good stuff about that. But on days like, I don't know, especially when it's hot outside, a lot of times you don't want to go like this. You want something like not full coverage, just a little bit and go. Or on days you're in a rush and you don't want to do like a full face of makeup, and maybe just like some tinted moisturizer is what I call it. Maybe a little mascara, maybe a little bit cream blush, and a little highlighter, and you're out the door. And some lip balm, I guess, or something. The EB Beauty, this is the deluxe size sample. If you're getting the full size version, which is, I mean, they're bigger, a whole lot bigger. They're $14, and they're actually 5 grams, and this one was 3 grams, so 2 more grams. This is a full size right here of the Doucce Ultra Precision Eyeliner in black, and it is $22. So, I mean, really, we've already made our money back and then some. And the body butter is, this is the deluxe size sample. If you're getting the full size, that's 200 milliliters, which is $28. We only got like 28 grams. Then the foundation, I know this ain't, it's like 30 milliliters, which this is a little bitty one. It does not have, yeah, it does. We got like 0.16 flow ounces, which is, I think, like 3 to 5 milliliters. But their full size is like $28. Or, yeah, $29. I looked at the wrong thing. Okay, and the brush is full size, like I said, and it is $15. Now, I have never used none of Laura Makeup Labs Queen, or Labs. The Queen Blending Brush is what this is. But I've never used them, but it feels like it's soft, but it's still not like too soft that it's going to like flop. So I do like that. So I think just with the brush alone, you know, $12 you paid for your bag, and like this is $15, so you've already made your money back, and everything else is just like free. That's what I like about subscription boxes. You don't really have like that much in it, and if you're getting stuff that you really do like, it really helps like to expand your makeup collection and stuff like that, because makeup is expensive and will take all your money. Trust me, I know. I love makeup, and makeup doesn't like my purse or my wallet because, but I guess that is it. I will leave the link down below if you want to try Ipsy for yourself, if you haven't ever tried them. They do have like 3 different subscription boxes or bags to choose from. And the great thing is you do get like a bag with every subscription box. That's what I really like about them. I might have a lot of makeup bags, but, you know, putting a little extra in there, there's not really any other subscription box that I can say that gives you a free makeup bag every time you get one of their boxes. So I do like that about them, that they do that. I use these bags for like all kinds of different stuff. I use them for my nail stuff. I use them for to keep other things separate. I throw these in my bags. Sometimes I store a lot of nail polish in the bigger bags because I have no room to put nail polish no more. And, or something I'm just not using, I can, like, put it in my bag and just put it up until I need it. So I do like that. And then I can give bags to family and friends when I go to give them something as a gift. But I guess that is it. I do have some subscription. I did not unbox last month because I did tell you guys in another video that I was having like really bad headaches and stuff. I actually ordered the fall subscription for Ipsy, like the mystery. And I was going to unbox it unbag it last month, and I had a headache and didn't get to. And then I've got like, finally got all my ear flicks for like 3 months. Got them in like in 1 week at the end of the month. I think they all came in. It's crazy, even though it was like August. Well, 3 months. I'd been like 3 months back. This is like, I ain't got for October's, ain't been done yet. So it was like for September, August, and July. I finally got them like last month. But I guess that is everything. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. I thought about just doing it live and unboxing it live. And I'm going to start doing lives, but I was going to see what would be a good time to go live so that, you know, I can get more people in. And because I'm in Eastern Kentucky, and I know everybody else is like all around the place. So I was just wondering, like, what would be a good time for all of us to get together. And cause without you guys, you know, I'd be by myself and just going live there by myself. So I would prefer to have you guys with me. So I was just wondering what would be a good time for you all. And just let me know. And I guess that is it. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that button before you go and like that video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.